Hi everyone, welcome back to another Paint Nails with me, and I really wanted to paint nails with you guys and talk about something very important to me, so I hope you can help. But roll the intro and let's paint our nails and talk. So this is how my nails look like, and I already told you that for some reason they've been dry and patchy and I've been getting these ridges, which someone told me if the ridges, like in comments, some of you let me a comment and let me know that maybe I'm lacking calcium, which I'm not sure if it's the case. I will definitely try to intake more calcium, but I just really don't know why my nails are dry. Maybe because I was sick, but if you do have any tip or trick, or you've been dealing with something like that, let me know, because I really don't know what's going on, and I'm back on applying oils and everything that we talked about. There's many videos about that on my channel if you don't know it already. I'm going to paint my nails and we're gonna talk as usual, because that is the concept of paint nails with me videos that I created this series. And first of all, obviously I am applying base coat, and the point is that we just paint our nails and chat, and I show you the color that I'm using and tell you about it, or just talk about some random topic. In this case, my burning topic is dry nails, so we have to fix that. When I apply base coat, my nails look pretty good, but without base coat, I mean, they're just dry. And I don't know why is that happening. Maybe because I've been lacking my routine of nail oils. I will let you know, but we will all do it together. So that's why I wanted to hear your opinion as well. So I'm applying this beautiful pastel lilac color. It's something between light baby blue color and lilac, and I love it, even though the formula is weird because I've been having this nail polish for a while, and I believe that I actually have shown you this one before, but I really wanted to paint this color, so I just didn't want to grab any random nail polish of my collection just so I can show you, because this is raw and I want you to see real me, so there is no reason for me to just grab random nail polish, even though I want to show you my whole collection. But also in real life, I do repeat nail polishes so much. I on purpose left this footage of me messy applying it because I want you guys to see that nothing is perfect, and I want you to see the real things, and everything that I tell you guys is real. So it's just us girls, whatever, we are here and just painting our nails and chatting and just talking about our stuff. It really relaxes me to just kind of chat like I'm talking with a friend. I created this little group of people who watch my videos and have the same interest, not only in nail polishes but in growing out hair and beauty and stuff like that, or even just in what I have to say. That is so amazing to me, and I'm so happy that I can chat with you. But what I also get a lot is when I paint, how long do I wait for my nail polish to dry on one hand? Usually I paint my other hand and then I go back to the hand that I first painted, and then I go in with a second coat, and then I go in with a second coat, as you can see right now. Second coat evens everything out and just kind of makes color more opaque. That's why I always go with two coats. No matter what, I do two coats. But yeah, this nail polish I love. I love the color, but as you can see, it's kind of hard to work with because I had it for a long time. And this is one of the nail polishes that it's not expensive at all. I got it while I was working. I randomly saw it and I just bought it. That's how I work. It doesn't have to be any special brand, but this is kind of affordable brand in Serbia, which I'm from. I also wanted to do decluttering of my nail polish collection. So if you guys want me to film that video, please give it a thumbs up or just leave me a comment so I know that you want me to film that. Yes, I'm applying top coat. I'm using Seche Vive. As always, that is my favorite top coat and I use it all the time because it does give you very like a gel-like effect and also gives you like nails dry in 5 minutes, and I prefer that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments. I love talking with you, so leave me a comment so I can know your feedback and we can chat in comment section as well. I hope you enjoy it. I will see you soon in my new video. Until then, watch some of my other videos because there is so many on my channel, and never let anyone do your sparkle. See you in my next one. Bye.